what's up? So next up, we've got Thomas Coyne coming to the Protector Symposium 6.0. He has been teaching agencies, law enforcement agencies, military forces, visiting non-permissive environments, teaching the people that need it survival skills all over the world for over a decade. He's one of the best in the world, trains primarily all over the United States, but in Southern California. And he's gonna be teaching us at this Protector Symposium 6.0 Apocalypse. He's gonna be teaching how to bug in and how to bug out. What gear do you need to use if you have to evacuate your home? This is a big deal. When do you make the decision whether you need to evacuate or you need to stay in place, right? What do you take with you, and what do you need to make sure you have at your home to make sure your family can survive if you guys do decide to go firm and weather the storm in that environment? We usually focus a lot on the tactics, firearms, different things like that, but for Apocalypse, for the Protector Symposium coming up, I wanted to focus on really all the skills that have to do with surviving and thriving catastrophic events in our environment. As we hear about more social unrest, the reset of the dollar, blackouts, cyber attacks, EMPs, all these different things that are kind of all possibly on the horizon. Huge earthquakes in the state of California, rolling blackouts, power outages, things like that. How do you know when to stay, when to go, what to take with you, what to have at your home? Thomas Coyne is hired by the best in the world to teach these things, and we are going to make sure you have an opportunity to learn them at this upcoming Protector Symposium 6.0 Apocalypse. Boom. Yo, go to protectorsymposium.com to get your tickets while they last. They're going to run out. This event is a once-in-a-lifetime training opportunity, literally.